Alright, so I'm back. It's Friday, day 2 of tournament. I haven't been on here all day today, so let me see. I got a bit of tasks done yesterday. I'm gonna start this serve dessert dishes task. Try to get that out of the way. It should be quick because we have in the desserts, let's see, 40-second ones. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I don't know why I didn't do that yesterday with the other ones that were quick. I'm going to leave, I don't know, maybe I'll get these out, do these now, and then I'll hit this task tomorrow maybe if I get that with my tasks when I buy more tasks. To fill the vending machines. We'll see. So this is a pretty easy one. So I don't know how many we need to do for this. Let me see how many I need for that. 65. That's not too bad. This will be quick. I gotta catch a catering truck so that I can do the task for the catering truck. Boom. Let me see. We are in second place. Oh, wow. By quite a few points. Ooh, Z got 10,000. I've been so lately I've been so busy with my business that I haven't even really had time to. I used to get these done like the first day, but now it's like I gotta try to get some done while I got a little bit of downtime, and I got a little bit of downtime right now, so see if I can get a couple of these tasks done. Oops. So what is your least favorite task to do? Let me know in the comments. I told you what mine are. Mine is get the customer opinion comments. I cannot stand that one. It takes forever. And like I said, I can't seem to figure out something to rush that. If you know something, a tip, how to get that one done quick, please let me know in the comments, because that's like my least favorite, along with invite celebrities. It's like those two tasks take forever, and as of lately, I really don't have the time to sit here getting those comments from the customers and then to invite celebrities. What happens is I invite the celebrity, like the 20-minute ones, and I get to, doing something and I forget all about it and I end up botching it. So if you have a tip or two on how to get those two tasks done quickly, please let me know in the comments. So we've been in first place the last 4 weeks. We're in second right now. We got 2 days, 8 hours to go. Hopefully we can, we got quite a few people here that haven't really put in much work, me being one of them people, but everyone who hasn't are all people who do put in the work last minute. So I think we'll be back in first place again this week. I'm very hopeful. I think I need to do one more stove load of these, and this one should be done. Yep. Let's see this. Oh, it's done. Dude, boom. See that? That was quick. So, that was serve a dessert dishes. Got that done real quick. These two are going to wait. The mop the floor. Collect tips while visiting. Collect vouchers. I think I'll do the collect vouchers tomorrow and do a video for that so you can see exactly how I get that done in 2 seconds. Pop bubbles at a party. Collect double tips. And sell dishes on an online machine. Okay. So, see all the comments right now. Plenty of comments to collect, but when I'm in the task, I can't find me not one comment to collect. Ugh. Alright. So I guess the next task I'm going to do is the online orders task. Let me see. Okay. Okay. I got 3 that I can fill now. So let me see if I can get that one done with those 3 without having to cook any dishes for that. Online. Where are you? Sell dishes online. Here we go. 700. That's a high scoring one too. So let me see.
I'm really popping.
Boom. Boom. I got like 1,000,000 bagels. Boom. Did that. Yes, that was enough to get the task done. Yes. So those are the 2 tasks that I just did. Got done in under 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments, please, about the customer opinions and the celebrity. Invite celebrities. If, you know, you got a tip or 2 on how to get that done real quick. Till my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell so you know when I throw a video up, too.